이 하늘 기차가 그때 런닝맨에서 저기 나왔는데 바다 밑에 보이는 거.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying
해변열차 스카인데?
가자.
to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray
사람 너무 많다.
as you fade
있겠나?
away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at
온라인 되네.
anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all.
저기 가볼래? 저 그때 런닝맨에서 저기 나왔는데
아 저거
저 바다 밑에
맞아
보이는
그래
거.
저 송도처럼
근데 별로 무섭게 보이진 않던데.
가봤나?
아니 런닝맨 봤지.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you
여기 거기
never
스카이워크
said
아이가?
you felt that
맞지?
way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and
송정
fake a
스카이워크
smile
아닙니까?
until I
이거
look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
이 머리 이거 많이 빠졌다.
As you fade away.
또도 저 가까운데 가볼까? 어이 이쯤까지 맞겠다. 이 정도 있다 이 정도. 옛날 소스 가게.
좋아하는 분들 바깥에 부탁드리겠습니다.
가격이 빠진 건가? 그 다음 거. 모르겠어.
그게 5,000원이야 되는 거.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
rise with the sun. Step 2,
이 사람이
some
아마
good, some
어떻게
food
되니?
in you. Step 3,
하고 싶은
grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good
내가 요 영상 올려요.
day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good 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 day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation.